massive part of that win was your opening partnership with your captain. How did that feel, and what were you talking about?
Felt amazing. I was for the most time I was just sitting back and enjoy Rohit Bhai's batting. But I think we kept talking to each other, and the partnership was very important for us. And we kept talking. Rohit Bhai told me it doesn't matter how many balls you are behind, just keep looking at the scoreboard.
नहीं अपन को सही है और ऐसे ले लेते रहते जिससे मैं तो किसी
Very satisfying. We missed out on the
या
last
इसी
half of the
चक्कर थे तो
and
चक्कर
a surreal feeling to be able to win this one, winning starting with the ODI series in England, winning 8 ODIs back to back. Amazing feeling.
तो ठीक करा
We're just trying to get Virat coming alongside.
Oh, exactly.
He's one of the special young man and one of the greatest we've ever seen. You two in the same change room. How does it feel for you to watch him? And what are you learning off this man?
Well, it's been amazing. Firstly, we wanted to bounce back after a tough Australia tour. Wanted to win a big tournament, and we ended up doing that. So it's an amazing feeling. Lovely playing with a bunch of such
Hello guys,
youngsters. So much
और
talent
नए
in the change
इंटरव्यू
room.
डाला वो
They're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction, and we're only happy to help. Share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why we are such a strong team.
How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him on the TV when I was a kid and then playing against him and seeing the intensity at which he plays at is just phenomenal to watch. And I think it tells us what the game is all about, giving us everything, and that's the only thing that he talks about even off the field as well. Give you everything when you're playing on the field, and for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still drives you, Virat? These tournaments, these wins, being in and around this changing room?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, these are the things after playing for so long, such a long career. You look forward to situations where you put under pressure and you walk in and you put your hand up. And I think to win titles, which has kind of been missing in the past, the whole team has to step up in different games. And if you see this tournament over the course of 5 matches, to be honest, put their hand up somewhere or the other. And that's why we ended up winning this tournament. And people have made such impactful knocks, such impactful spells. And it's only a collective effort that can win your title. And I'm just so happy that we were able to play as a unit, just really enjoy ourselves. We've had such an amazing time as a team here in practice sessions, off the field, on the field. It's been honestly an amazing tournament for us.
We know you've got more in you, but when that time does come, you're leaving it in some pretty capable hands.
Oh, for sure. I mean, as Shuman said, I try to speak to these guys as much as possible, try to share my experience, how I've been able to play for so long, try to step in wherever I can to help improve their games. And yeah, it's only as they rightly say, when you leave, you want to leave the place in a better position, and that's our effort. That's what we're striving for, that when eventually we are finally done at whatever stage, we have a squad that's ready to take on the world for the next 8-10 years. And these guys definitely have so. And also, they've stepped up already, so many impactful innings. This guy's played Shreyas, beautiful. KL's been finishing games, so Hardik's a match winner, so we are in good hands.
Just a word on the final, and they're playing against New Zealand, how much you enjoy that, and how tough an opponent they are.
They're very consistent, they come up with plans
Kakao,
and with the utmost accuracy that they can, and playing against them is always a challenge. We know that they're gonna give it their all, whether be it in batting, bowling or fielding, and we definitely saw that tonight. Wasn't that easy chase for us.
काका 86 पॉइंट 6 लेकिन 86 करोड़ साथ 1 करोड़ बढ़ गए.
Sad to see him not on the field for the fielding side of things tonight, but your experiences playing against New Zealand?
Well, amazing. We've always been in awe of what they can do with the limited number of players they've had over the years and just maximize their talent to the absolute maximum. Every time we played against them in big games, they're going to come with a set plan, and no other team in world cricket executes plans as well as they do. They just know, every fielder knows where the bowler is going to bowl, and you can sense it. They're all attacking the ball because they know the bowler is going to be so accurate. So credit to them. They've been probably the most consistent team in the last few years in big tournaments, and the reason for that is their immense belief in their skills. And the amount of talent they have, they utilize that to the maximum, and easily the best fielding side in the world. So yeah, huge shout out to them. They continue to display why they are one of the top teams in the world. And again, a great campaign. Sad to see a very good friend of mine on the losing side, but I've been on the losing side a couple of times when he's been on the winning side. So only love between us.
Absolutely brilliant to watch you both throughout the tournament. Congratulations, celebrate well, and excellent performance. Thank you so much.
जनसंख्या बराबर लाइव थोड़ी है, हर कोई आदमी थोड़ी देख रहा चूती है.
होलिका दहन से पहले ही वो पुरानी यादों को जला दिया है.
ट्रॉफी और देगा. अरे
ये
चैंपियन वाली टीम है ना। और
अब कहाँ पता कितनी देर जाएगी यार।
रोज सुपर हिट शर्मा चला सीना दान बना दिए 76 और उनसे करेंगे हम बात। एंड आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, विश्व रिकॉर्ड बना दिया हमने कंकरेंसी में। आज से पहले इससे ज्यादा लोग नहीं जुड़े एक साथ।
And indeed, absolutely no doubt about who the player of the match is going to be. The award will be presented by Mr. Khalid Al-Zamil.
खालदब्बा पैदा
VP
के
Public
मेडल
Affairs
लेके
of Aramco, Rohit Sharma. For his innings of 76 of 83 balls in what was a tricky run chase. Rohit, I hope you can hear me with all the cheers around. No, it's very nice. Look, we played some really good cricket through the tournament, and to come out here having the result our way.
ये 10
it's a
मिनट
great
तक
feeling.
यार बोला वो
Very, very happy with how we played this game. Over the last 2 ODI campaigns, you've been a different batter than you were earlier on. Is this something you wanted from the side? Is this something
जगह
you're very
वीडियो चालू
comfortable
क्यों
with?
नहीं
Is it something that you
चालू
thought was
सेकंड
needed?
कर दिया
Yeah, look,
हाँ है हम सेकंड
it's obviously not natural to me, but it is something I really wanted to do.
घंटा की डाला था।
And obviously, when you're trying to do something different, you need the backing of the team, you need the backing of the management, and they were right through with me. In the ODI World Cup as well, with Rahul Bhai, this is what I spoke to him, and he was very much okay with it. And now, Bhoti Bhai as well. So it's all about, getting that backing from the team as well and the management as well. And it is something that I really wanted to do. I've played all these years in a different style, but I wanted to try and do something different and try and see if we can play differently and get our results that we were looking for. You're charging the fast bowlers, you're hitting them down the ground. At what point do you decide this shot is on? A bit predetermined, or you judge the length that quickly? Having played here, on few occasions, you understand the nature of the pitch, what it does initially up front with the